In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import data into Airtable without duplications. When you import data the usual way, Airtable often just appends new rows. That is how duplicates get created. The cleaner approach is to use a merge method, sometimes called an upsert. This compares your incoming CSV data against a unique identifier in your table, and then updates matching records instead of creating new ones. To begin, open your Airtable base and go to the table where you want the data to end up. Once you are in the right place, open Extensions from the top area of your base. Then click Add an extension. In the extension search box, type CSV import. Select the CSV import extension from the results, and then click Add extension to install it into your base. Once it is added, you will see the CSV import interface ready to use. Now click the area that says to drop a CSV file to import. Upload your CSV file from your computer. Give Airtable a moment to read the file and prepare the import preview. At this stage, pay attention to how Airtable is mapping your CSV columns to fields in your table. If a column is not lining up with the right field, adjust the mapping so the data goes into the correct place. This is important because a mismatch can cause missing values or unexpected updates. Next, enable the Merge option, labeled Merge with Existing Records. This is the key setting that prevents duplicates. After you turn that on, you will be prompted to choose a field to match on. Select a field that is truly unique for every record, such as an email field, an order number, or an internal ID. The field you choose must be consistent and not repeated, because Airtable will use it to decide whether a row should update an existing record or create a new one. Once your merge field is selected and the mapping looks correct, click Save Records. Airtable will update any records that match your unique field and only create new records for rows that do not already exist. After the import finishes, take a quick look at your table to confirm that the updates applied correctly and that you did not create duplicates. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.